Check it out. This is my final project for electronics too. So basically, yeah, I've built a digital synthesizer out of, let's see here, this is the microcontroller. So on port 0, pin 0 and 1 both output a sawtooth. They get converted to voltage because this is a current output. They get mixed together, that's what this green wire is. And then, let's see here, they come out, sorry, it's this green one. I don't think this yellow one needs to be in here anymore. Oops. And then, let's see here, so it goes into here, and it goes into a potentiometer, which is fed into an amp, right? Which is this little guy. There's a little capacitor here to remove some DC offset. So basically the idea here is if I move this potentiometer, it affects basically how loud the sawtooths become. Right? And then, so let's see here, it comes out of the amplifier, goes into a button, so I can toggle it. And then out of the button goes into some capacitor stuff because that's what the schematic for this needed. And then after all that junk, it goes into this potentiometer, and this is for a low-pass filter. So there's a little capacitor and 100 kilo ohm thing. So let's see it, potentiometer. You remove like highs, but it doesn't do a great job at it. Just kind of works-ish. And then let's see here, it goes into the green stuff. This is the speaker, and then also it goes into here, which is yet again another potentiometer. But basically, this is a toggleable effect. So it goes into here, and then it comes into here. So basically, this signal, it feeds into instead of a digital to analog converter, this is now an analog to digital converter going into here. And basically, I add that to, let's see here. Yeah, so the sawtooth is basically just a little ramp made by a counter and outputting the value to the port. And it goes from 0 to half a millivolt. And let's see here. So this is ADC value. I made a function that reads the value and clears the flag of the analog to digital converter. That's this green wire, remember? And then it outputs in the same port as one of the sawtooths. So basically, oh god, this is gonna be hard to do with one hand. Maybe I can like go there. So basically it gets fed back. It's like a decimator delay effect.